the basis of these coins and seals, we are able to know about different goddesses. And some of the important god and goddesses I already explained, like Shakti and Shiva Pashupati. Understood till here? Okay. Now let's talk about the other practices which includes in the religion of the Indus Valley people. As I told you in the previous class that these people of Indus Valley civilization believe in the other practices also. Like you can take the example, they worship people tree as well. Means this people tree was considered as holy tree. So apart from these god and goddesses, you just remember about the people tree as well. People tree was also a holy symbol or holy thing for them also. So they worship people tree also at that time. And one more thing is related to the protection from the evil practices. So they just adopted one thing. What? Amulets. Have you heard this term? Amulets. What does it mean? Amulets. Okay, fine, fine, fine. Okay, one by one. First, Aisha will speak, then Ruqayya. Fine. Yes, correct. Now, yes. Okay, fine. And what about Ruqayya? You can share your answer, Ruqayya. What about other students? Why they are not opening their body audios and videos? Please unmute your. Yes, exactly. So you can say they use amulets. Okay, fine, fine. Okay, now listen. They see they use amulets. Like amulets, you can take the example of some kind of lockets and some kind of means ornament they used. And why they used, they thought that this amulet will save us from the evil things like demons and other things. So they used amulets during that period of time. Okay, so these are some of the important religious practices they were doing at that time. Okay, now move on to the next topic, which is related to your trade and commercial relations. So, Indus Valley people also involved in trade and commercial practices as well. So, as I am telling about the trade and commerce, was these two things were there. How we can say that that trade practices were there? Why? On what basis we can say that? Yes, students, share your answer. Actually, Rukaiya, your voice is not clear. I think network problem is there. So try to speak clearly. Okay. Yes, Lisa. Lisa Atika. Where is Lisa? Why people muted themselves? Please unmute yourself in terms of video and audio both. I want to see your faces and voice also. Please unmute yourself. I am asking that on what basis we can say that Indus Valley people were involving in trade practices. Like next topic is related to your trade and commercial relations, na? So how we can say they were involving in such activities? What are the sources? Hmm. One by one. Okay. Okay, one by one. Rukaiya, Rukaiya. Okay, Aisha Danish, please tell. Yes. Aisha, your voice is not clear, beta. I think network problem is there. Walaikum Assalam, Misbah. I think connectivity problem is there. I'm unable to see your faces and voice. Actually, voice is not clear. I think my network issue is there. Please speak loud, little bit louder. The problem is related to network only, I think. Okay, so as we're talking about the trade and commerce relationship of the Indus Valley people, so on the basis of seals again and some kind of tools were excavated during that period of time. So on the basis of tools and coins, are able to know about the trade relationship. So you can say that this Indus Valley civilization had a relationship with the eastern Indian part, Kashmir, and Central Asian and West Asian countries. So these are some of the important places where they had the relationship of trade, and they found different kinds of coins and you can say seals also. So on the basis of these things, we are able to know their trade relationship, and they just exchange their commodities, especially spices. Okay, so these things you have to remember about the trade and commercial relations of the Indus Valley people. Fine, till here understood everything? Yes, students. Fine. Okay. Now, okay. And please unmute yourself, Tahura, Khatija, Mezba, Anas, Abu Zaid, Zoha, Saima, Muhammad Zaid, Sayyid Hamad Hussain. Please unmute yourself. Now let's talk about the last topic of this chapter, which is related to the downfall of this Indus Valley civilization. So, do you have any idea about this topic? How this civilization ended or fall down? Just raise your hands. By your hand, I can understand. Just raise your hand. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, Tahura, tell. Tahura? Okay, one of the reason we can cite it like that, Aryans were there, they came to India and started invading. Next, okay, Lisa. Try, Lisa. Lisa. Okay, Lisa. Yes, Lisa, give your answer about this. You can share your view. Can you hear me? I think network issue is there. Actually, connection problem is there. Okay, no problem. Saima, you can share. Saima. Actually, connection problem is there. Okay, tell. So, we will talk about the some of the important reasons the downfall of the industrial civilization. Okay, now all of you please. Okay, all of you please mute yourself. Please. Okay, fine. Natural calamities were there. Fine. Okay, okay, but okay, okay. We can say on the other hand, but on the basis of the sources, on the basis of the sources, we can say the civilization was ended. Okay, now all of you please mute yourself. Mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. All of you, please. Fine. Okay, so on the basis of the different evidences which we found during that period of time, so we can say that some of the calamities happened during that period of time, like flood. Flood was there due to this reason. Also, this civilization came to an end. And apart from this, invaders like Aryans came and tried to invade this part also. So natural calamities, or you can say invaders, due to invaders, this civilization came to an end. Okay, but most important factor related to that civilization is the natural calamities. Okay, so these things you have to remember about this civilization, civilization's downfall. Okay, so in this way, Alhamdulillah, we have completed this chapter. Conclusion, you can study by yourself. It is a small paragraph. Just read it by yourself. Okay. Now look at the. Uh, Actually, your voice is not loud. Yes, something is there. You want to ask what happened? Actually, due to poor connection, I'm unable to hear your voices. That's why. Something is there that you want to ask? Yes, students? Okay, now we have completed this chapter. Now look at the exercises. See, yes, Misbah, I think. Misbah? Actually, the voice is not audible. I'm unable to hear. Disturbance is there. I don't know. Okay, still 3 minutes are left. No, no, 3 minutes are there. There is no need to leave just now. Just listen it. That we have completed our first chapter. Try to solve the question answers in the next class. If you will face any problem or any query related to the question, please ask. Okay, this is your homework. Try to solve your exercise. Fine. Clear? Understood? Voice is not audible, Aisha.